If you want to take a long screenshot on POCO M8 Pro, the first thing that you need to do is you need to open an app or a page where you have scrollable content. So for example, we can use a Google app in this case. And if you want to capture the scrolling screenshot, first you need to capture the full screenshot. So let's say with 3 fingers I'm gonna slide down like this, and then if it is possible to take a scrolling screenshot, then here below the preview we have the scroll option, and then the phone should start scrolling down, as you can see over here. You should also be able to use your finger in order to scroll down by yourself. However, it seems that it is a little bit laggy and it doesn't work too well, unfortunately. And once you are done with the area that you want to capture, you can just simply tap on Done at the bottom of the screen. We have our preview, and we can of course use this check in the upper right corner. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.